I'll do this video blog today, January the 4th, 2016, on a stock that I was researching on Friday, January the 1st, 2016. I was strolling through the news feeds on Friday, sometime late in the evening, and I noticed a stock that kind of grabbed my attention as a good, investment. And the reason being was because it manufactures pharmaceutical products, and one of the products that it makes is a filter, the G2 filter, and this G2 filter has been causing blood clots and stuff. So they've still been, releasing it, selling it, whatever, and they've been kind of like brushing it up under the rug, postponing, replacing it for a while, I guess, to draw in as much cash flow as they could. And when they seen that too many people was recognizing the problem and it was sticking out like a sore thumb, they tried to replace it with another filter. Needless to say, the filter also was causing blood clots. So there's been several class action lawsuits filed. And the name of this company is Bard, B-A-R-D, and the ticker is BCR. The price that it was on Friday when I was looking into it was $189 and some odd change, and this morning from the opening of the market at 9:30 until lunchtime, around what time I'm doing this video, 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it has dropped down to $184.44, which is about roughly a $5 decrease in price. So I did initiate some trades in this opportunity on a demo account to see what it does, and that trade was initiated on my account with Investopedia. It was just for a few $1,000s to see what it does, and in my personal opinion, I do believe that it's going to drop a good bit more. So thank you for watching my video.